Hello everybody, today we are going to be playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator. And when I logged in, it said Pollen Fetcher is ready for black bears, so we're going to go check that out. But, oh, my sound was off. I hope that doesn't affect the video. It shouldn't, but it's been a little bit before I've recorded, so here we are. Nice job. Here's a reward to hold you over. A few more quests and the silver egg is yours. That's right, no egg yet. You've got to work for it. 500? Honey, that's decent, I guess. There are 3 colors of flowers on this mountain. Red, white, and blue. If a bee is red, it collects twice as much pollen from red flowers. If a bee is blue, it collects twice as much from blue flowers. Working with fields that match the color of your bees helps you collect pollen faster. For my next request, I want you to collect 600 pollen from red flowers. Okay. So right now, I have a blue bee, a colorless bee, and another colorless bee. So I'm not doing too well for red pollen. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go over here. It's a bit laggy right now, just because, well, I have OBS running, that's what I use to record videos, and I also, well, I haven't played the game long, and it gets better once I've played for a while. Well, this one gives me 18. This will be done in no time. A moon sprout. A moon sprout? Sprout. Need it right here. That's a golden rake. Why was there just a giant rake? Gum? Someone spitting gum on the field? 'Cause that's littering. Ooh, I'm almost done with the red pollen. I'm not gonna collect these tokens. Okay, quest done? Okay, so with that quest done, that means I can soon get another egg so that I can hopefully fill up this hive quick. If you look at the floor, you get more FPS, so floor is my friend. Okay, if you're lucky, you might run across a strawberry while gathering in the fields with mostly red flowers. If you see leaves popping out of the flowers, you should collect pollen near that area. That's where you're most likely to find strawberries and other treats. Okay, here's a reward to hold you over 2 more quests and the silver egg is yours. Okay, well, that's pretty good. 650. Okay. Pollen from blue flowers has always tasted slightly minty to me. Brown Bear tells me it's all in my head. He just doesn't have a refined taste palette like I do. Speaking of blue pollen, could you collect 1,000 pollen from blue flowers for me? Into the blue. Okay, and I'm making that voice on purpose to try to sound like a bear, but if y'all don't like it, just leave a comment. I'll check the comments, and if you see a comment with a link, don't click on it. Literally don't click on it. I had accidentally clicked on it. It is a robot trying to get you to some not very safe sites. Don't go to it. It'll ruin your childhood. I'm gonna see what I can buy. Honey tokens? No. Okay, I got 100. Only 105. And I need 4,000 for another egg. It's probably a good idea to save it, but, well, I can go over here and to the shop. Okay, I need some more FPS. This is good. Okay, I've got 600 honey. Ooh. clippers. Okay, so I probably should save. Because I can't buy anything. There's something up there. It's a jelly. I think you can do this. Oh. But how do I get up there? I don't think I can. Are there any secrets with the noob bear? No, I don't think there's any secrets other than that one. Though I do know one secret. And leave a like and subscribe if you want to see that secret. It is pretty overpowered, so I think y'all want to watch. Ooh, and also, we're going to that field with the secret. So, leave a like and subscribe. Ring the bell if you want. And then leave a comment saying, secret. And if there's others that say that, like those comments. So then, I'll check the comments and likes and subscribers. And then I'll show you the secret. If we have enough. Which isn't, like, I don't need many. I'm almost at the 10 goal that I've set. So that's nice. Oh, my bees are happy here. That's good. Most of y'all probably would know this secret. So, I'll show the secret later in the video. If I forget, then just do the commenting and everything. And then the next video, I promise I will do it. Okay, my pollen canister is full. Eggs and items, okay. Ooh, I just need 500 more blue pollen. I also need white pollen for one. Oh, that was a giant lag spike. And then I need to feed treats to my bees, but I don't have any treats. Okay. So I need to make some honey and possibly buy an egg, because eggs are good. Without eggs, my hive would be non-existent, because I wouldn't have any little bees. Okay, time to make a bit of honey. Almost done. I should be able to, actually, no, I don't think I will be able to buy an egg. With 4,363, I might. No. Oh, I can. I bought the egg. Yes, so now we're gonna have another little bee. I got a brave bee. What? How do I keep getting different kinds of bees? It's only supposed to give me... I'm just not even gonna ask. I'm not gonna question it or anything. But, wow, that's rare. Really rare. Want a little bit of food. Gonna keep this one basic bee till the end of the series. Oh, he's level 4. You want this, brave bee? There. Okay, so I'm doing good. I need a bit more blue pollen, so I'm gonna go get that. Okay. The basic bee loves sunflower seeds. I didn't know basic bees loved sunflower seeds. It's good to know. Okay. If I do get another basic bee, I will use a royal jelly since it changes once I get one. But right now, I don't have any, which is kind of annoying, but I'll just have to deal with it. And we're done. Into the blue is done. Please, I can walk through. I just walked through it. Okay, so I'm gonna get this white pollen for White Bluff. And possibly sunflower seed. No, I mean treats, not sunflower seeds. We wouldn't get them here. Okay, I'm gonna get this pollen, and then I'm going to turn in the quest and get another. Hopefully for white pollen, because I have 2 quests. Well, 1 quest already for it. Oh, I'm lagging. The FPS dropped. I need to look at the floor. You know what? The FPS barely drops. Actually, that's a decent amount that it drops. There's something over there. Nice job. Did you find any blueberries out there? Fields with mostly blue flowers occasionally produce blueberries you can feed to your bees. Here's a reward to hold you over. 1 more quest and the silver egg is yours. Sorry I didn't do the voice at first. It's just I forgot. Okay. Variety is the spice of life. It's also the spice of honey. If you collect me pollen, I'll give you a variety of... From a variety of flower fields, I'll give you my silver egg. I'll take the pollen from the mushroom field, the clover field, and the blue flower field. Ooh, so we have a bit of work to do. I'm probably gonna end up doing a time lapse. Actually, I'm probably not gonna. I hope I will. I just might not. But if I do, then y'all need to like and subscribe because it takes an hour to edit a video. Okay, I've made 5,000 honey today. Oh wait, I don't have like a glider like other people. Okay, I need some from mushroom clover. I don't know what kind the clover has. Probably white pollen. But I'm gonna go up there. It has a variety. But it has quite a bit of white. Oh my goodness, some bugs. Fight them. Get them, get them. Okay, so this just gives me quite a bit of honey, which is good. Actually, it doesn't give too much, but it's still better than nothing. And a sprinkler. Okay. No, one of my bees is out of energy. No. Oh, I remember this parkour? Because I remember it like it was yesterday. It was not yesterday, though. It was quite a bit before yesterday. Wow. Did I really fail the first jump? I'm lonely. And now I'm gonna go back through here. Gather some pollen on the way out. Actually, I probably shouldn't. Well, give me progress on the quest. Really? I am horrible at parkour. I'm just not gonna until I'm faster. Because I am horrible at parkour. I'm just gonna get the rest of the pollen from up there, jump down there, and I'll be on my way. How far out can I zoom? Okay, and then this is as far as I can zoom in. What's up with the scissors? They're broken. That must be why they're not too good at all. Okay. Oh, there's one of those jellies. Please I can get on top of these bushes. Nope. Can't get on the bushes. Well, this part has to be done. Right? Yep, that part of the quest is done. Okay, now all I have to do is a gummy sprout in the field I need to be in. Ooh, but there's a bug. Get the bug. Kill the bug. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is gonna take years, so I'm just not gonna do it. It would literally take me the rest of the day, so I'm definitely not gonna do that. Okay, I don't know what that noise was. I bet people are looking for the gummy sprout. Gummy sprout in blue flower field. But I believe this is a Spanish server, so no one's gonna understand me. But still, gummy sprout in blue flower field. Well, Super Sam plays Minecraft, probably is English, so he'd understand. Okay, I'm almost done with white pollen. Okay, so make some honey. Almost done. It's really fast making honey now, so that's good. I'm already done with honey. Someone's at the gummy sprout. Are they almost done with it? Huh. I bet they are. They look overpowered. Oh no, nowhere close, but I still need some pollen from this field. They're rude. I'm getting gum. Oh, I have a quest completed. Already from Brown Bear. Wait, this one gives me a jelly? Oh no. I hope I only have 2 bees here. I'm going to die. Oh, I have another bee. I have 3 bees. I'm almost dead. Well, actually I have more than half health. I got a micro converter? Can't wait to see what that does. Ooh, I got a strawberry. It's on your back to honey. Oh, that's awesome. I just used it. Now I can get more pollen. That was probably wasteful, but Dr. Brown. Good job, bud. Here's some royal jelly. You've completed 1 of my quests so far. Complete 4 more and I'll give you 3 field dice. And if you complete 24 more, I'll give you a silver egg. Looks like it's been over an hour since I gave you the last quest. Talk to me again when you're ready for the next one. That's a nice one. 2,000 honey! I am gonna be rich! Welcome back. You ready for a new quest? Complete it and I'll give you some royal jelly and a ticket. You've completed 1 of my quests so far, and every quest becomes a bit more challenging. Really? check your quest menu to see what's up next. Okay, so I just got it. Yay, I just got a royal jelly, another one. Wait, if I get a basic bee, I could use a royal jelly to transform it. This is awesome. Come on. Quit calling, person. Actually, what do I need for this quest? Oh, the clover field and the mushroom field. I need mushroom field for another quest too. I need a bit more blue flower. Okay, that part. Now I only need 1,000 from a mushroom. I'm gonna get another bee though. I'm gonna start with some mushroom field. Oh, gather it up. Okay, fight. Fight, 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 fight. Easy, easy collapse. Super easy. Okay, so now I have some strawberries and a blueberry. And a blueberry. Okay, I'm gonna buy another basic egg. Imagine I get a windy bee. Well, I mean, just a legendary. I got a basic bee. Okay, royal jelly. Bumblebee, already have one of them. Bumblebee. Okay. A little mellow fellow. Well, I have no more royal jellies. Oh, I leveled him up. I bet he'll like blueberry since he's bluebee. Blueberry. Yeah, he liked it so much he's already level 3. And I get my bomber bee leveled up. Hopefully. Oh, I forgot to make honey. Okay, so I have 6 tickets. I still need mushroom field. And next I'll get a bigger backpack. Because these bees make the honey super fast. I like this little music. It's nice. Okay, so time for some mushroom pollen. I just love this music. And I believe this music is original, so it's not copyright. If it is, then I'm dead. If it is, but it's not. So that's good. At least I don't think it is. I should probably turn the music off, but it's on the game. People will record this game all the time. They don't get copyright strikes, so I'll be fine. FBI, open up! The FBI wouldn't even come for this. Wait. After I gather this pollen, I'm going to be able to get a silver egg. That can give me legendaries. It can also give me a mythic bee, but that's like a 1% chance. But I have been pretty lucky so far. I just did it. I completed the quest. That person looks like a doofus. It's pretty rude to say, but they look like a doofus. If that's you watching the video, sorry. Most likely not watching the video, because I am barely playing, and if they were watching the video, they would know. Impressive. With your dedication, I trust the bee that hatches from the silver egg will go on to become a fine honeymaker. Here you go. Got 1,000 honey and a silver egg! You've proven yourself to be a fine beekeeper. From here on out, I'll give much harder tasks to complete. Complete 10 of them and I'll give you a gold egg. So a gold egg always hatches into an epic or legendary bee. So you ready for a real challenge? Collect 4,000 pollen from the bamboo field. Bamboo field? Wait, that gate's green. It was just red. I hope it gives me a mythic bee. If it does, okay, fingers crossed. Exhausted bee! Oh, poor bee, he never has to sleep, but he's a hard worker. He has insomnia. Oh, he's a good bee. Slow, but good. Not too slow. I didn't even buy that egg. Yeah, look. Oh, he's slow. Well, I'm going over here. The gummy sprout is still there. That's crazy. The pro is also still there. Vicious bee wanted. 'Cause that's the vicious bee. Oh no. I hate spiders. I'm not fast enough, I can still hit me. Run! Okay, I'm gonna die here. Because my bees are weak-ish. And one of them is level 1. Come on! Yes, they did it! My exhausted bee leveled up. Okay, so the bamboo boogie. Nice. Okay, royal jelly there. There's a royal jelly up there. And there's a moon. That's almost done. I'm not gonna go over there just to scoop up some rewards. That's just rude. Dangerous creatures all around us. You have to be tough to make it up the mountain. Your bees will need to know how to fight. I'll put them to the test. First trial, defeat a ladybug. That's easy. You told me to go out there and fight, so charge! If only this was a ladybug. The quest would already be done. But I can fight a ladybug right now, so that's good. Then I'll return the quest, get more pollen. So this will give me honey. Easy. Go get 'em, boys. Go get 'em, boys. Boom. Lesson on ladybugs. Already complete. Now there's gonna be a spider there. It's the final creeper. Oh, they have those little gumdrops. I still wanna go steal some. I probably wouldn't mind, but I'm not gonna. I've been raised good. Too good. This video is probably almost over, so I will show y'all the secret, and then yeah. By the way, that was just the beginning. By the way, have you noticed your bees are turning to the hive on their own? They're going back to sleep and recover their energy. Every time a bee gathers pollen or attacks an enemy, it loses an energy. You can see how much energy the bee has by clicking on its cell in the hive. Take this for now. Come back when you're ready for more. It's barely any. But, as I promised, I'm going to show y'all a deadly secret. You see this? It's a boss. Super deadly. My bees can't even hit it. Dead. Yeah, like that, it kills you. Well, this is gonna be the end of the episode. See y'all next time. Bye. Sorry about this. It's taking a while. 30 minutes long. Okay, that's pretty good.